Here we are going to see IIT JEE 2013 mathematics questions and solutions. Now the first question here is the circle passing through 1, -2 and touching the axis of x at 3, 0 also passes through the point. Here listen, the circle passes through this 1, -2 and this 3, 0 and by using this we have to find one more point through which the circle is passing. So now let us take the equation of the circle be x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square plus lambda into y equal to 0, because the circle touching the axis of x at the point 3, 0. So therefore let us take the equation of the circle be this one, that is x minus 3, because here the x coordinate is 3, so therefore we have x minus 3 the whole square plus, since the y coordinate is 0, we have y minus 0 the whole square plus some constant lambda into y equal to 0. And now we know that the circle is also passing through the point 1, -2. So therefore this 1, -2 must, must satisfy this equation. So since the circle passes through the point 1, -2, then what will we get? Here instead of x we have to substitute 1 and instead of y we have to substitute -2. So we have 1 minus 3 the whole square plus -2 minus 0 the whole square plus lambda into -2 is equal to 0. Now by using this only we are going to get the value of lambda. Here 1 minus 3 is -2, so -2 whole square is 4 and -2 minus 0 -2 whole square is 4. Now plus lambda into -2 will be equal to -2 lambda and this will be equal to what? 0. Now 4 plus 4 will be equal to 8. So we have 8 minus 2 lambda is equal to 0. Hence what will be the value of lambda? Hence the value of lambda will be equal to 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So now we get the value of lambda and we are going to substitute this in the equation of the circle. That is, we have to substitute this lambda equal to 4. So then what will we get? Then we will get this x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square is y square plus the lambda into y is 4 into y is equal to 0. Now this implies what? This implies x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 4y is equal to 0. Now here we get the equation of the circle, and now what we are going to do is we are going to see the 4 options. Here we have 4 options: 2, -5, 5, -2, -2, 5 and -5, 2. Here the equation is what? Here the equation is this x square plus y square minus 6x and then we have this plus 4y plus 9 equal to 0. So now we have to check which point of these 4 options will satisfy this equation. So here out of these 4 options we know that this 5, -2 will satisfy this equation, because 5 square will be equal to what? 25 and y square will be equal to -2 the whole square, which is plus 4, and -6 into x will be equal to -6 into 5 -30 and 4 into